you're gonna tap 2 more. Yes, you can. Don't give up, babe. Last one.
How pretty are these flowers, you guys, that my boyfriend just got me? He surprised me with these after he picked me up for my Pilates class. Love that.
I touched that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm told I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. Long as you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, doing, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tight ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one.
Just finished my workout, as you saw, and I made myself my staple Greek fruit yogurt bowl that you've seen me make 100 times. This is with the non-dairy Greek yogurt though. Anyways, I'm going to have some breakfast and do a little cleanup around the house. I just have to clean out my dishwasher and things like that.
John, the love is charming boy, but I can tell you this. She'll break your heart as ready, but she will steal your kiss. Tilt your chin in mockery. There's love fire in those eyes, but lift that smile, a pretty smile down, they'll whisper pretty lies. Her feet's a light and dancing buddy, they'll just as lightly stray. Those pretty hands of hers are dexterous at throwing dreams away. She will break your heart to bits, that much at least I know, but I wish I'd have found me a tomato like that about 15 years ago.
Hand me a towel, I'm dirty dancing by myself, gone off tabs. Let that acid form me a circle, watch my jagger. Might lose my jacket and hit a solo one time. We too loud in public, the police turn down the function. I'll be outside when the time is perfect. Gotta tell you how much I vibe with you. And we don't gotta be solo. Now stay away from highways, my highs like the red lights. Right now I prefer yellow, red bone, so mellow. Fuck around, be cutting you. Think we were better off solo. I got that act right in the windy city that night. No trees to blow through, but blow me, and I owe you 2 grams in the sunrise. Smoking good, rolling solo.
Look what just came in, you guys. Factor order came in, which I'm so excited for. If you know me, you know I love ease, I love convenience, I love anything and everything that makes my life easier. And I'm really excited to try out these meals. So for this factor order, I got 6 ready-made meals and as well as 6 smoothies, which I'm really excited to try. This one is strawberry banana, and we also have tropical fruit. And when I placed my order, I did the Calorie Smart meal plan. If you go on their website, they have protein plus, I believe they have family friendly and keto friendly and like other types of meal plans. I love that I can just pop this in the microwave for 2 minutes and my lunch is ready to go. I actually do have a code if you would like to try them out. I'll put it on the screen and I'll also link it in the description. I think these are great for anyone who has a busy lifestyle but still wants to eat relatively healthy and prioritize their wellness and things like that, whether you go to school school, or you have a day job, or you're a stay-at-home mom and you know you barely have time to feed yourself, I think something like this is perfect, just to make your life a little bit easier. So anyways, I'm excited to try these. I'm gonna put them away now and I'll update you guys on what I think about them once I try it. So I just finished getting ready for the day. Today is a work from the coffee shop work day. I actually woke up pretty early this morning and I worked out here at home and I got ready, and now we're heading to the coffee shop to get some work done. And I just have to say that this week is the first week where I finally feel back on track, back in a routine. I'm feeling super motivated and inspired once again, and I'm just so grateful because these last few weeks, these last few months have been very hard in terms of feeling motivated and inspired and all of that. So I feel very grateful to be back on track, but honestly I feel like a lot has to do with my habits that I re-implemented this week. I talk more about this on my podcast. My last few episodes I've discussed like perspective shifts that I've been making, things that I've been struggling with, and like how I'm navigating those obstacles and how I'm finding motivation again and getting back on track. But yeah, I just wanted to say that I feel really good this week. I feel like my best self. I just hope that this energy continues. Little update, I just tried the strawberry banana smoothie by Factor and it's actually really good. It isn't too sweet by any means, but it's just sweet enough, I feel. I'm just having this as my midday snack.